Hey, what up everybody? So today we're going to be doing a little refilling of the jack here. Okay, here's a list of tools you'll need. You're going to need this, well, you're going to need something to cut open your jack oil. You don't necessarily need this, but you need an open thing of jack oil. Then you need a flathead screwdriver. Or maybe a screwdriver, depending on what your thing is. Mine's just a rubber grommet I'm going to pop out. So I have a flathead, but some of them are screws, and screws are, as we're gonna find out in a minute here, a lot better, in my opinion, my humble. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's check that out. We're gonna be taking this thing out, and we're just gonna be refilling it with the jack oil, kind of like your car or transmission or whatever you want to think of it as. Anyway, so some have a screw, some have like a little rubber plug here. And yeah, first thing we gotta do is just get this thing opened up. Like real open this time. I don't usually do that, but I think you're supposed to. Okay. We're gonna pop this little grommet out here next. Now that it's all opened up, let's push that shit down. Okay. Some of them have a screw, and that's probably better. Apparently, if you have this little rubber thing that I have, you might want to be a little careful, because apparently they can rip and break sort of easy. Let's keep going. Come on. There it goes. So yeah, there's mine. That's out now. And yeah, so this thing hasn't been working very good, and that shit looks pretty much empty. It's supposed to be full. So I just have this jack oil stop leak stuff I got from Walmart. I was just gonna get regular oil, but this is all they had actually. Small ass Walmart. Oh shit. So here's this jack oil. I got it all opened up and stuff. Fucking just dropped, some stuff. My bad. Okay. So now we're just gonna kind of fill this thing like up. Like all the way. And yeah. Let's try not to spill anything. I'm probably gonna spill some. Sorry, environmentalists. I'm doing my best here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I don't know why they put this weird bar here on this jack. There's like a plate there normally, but it's kind of in the fucking way. Let's try to get it from this side here. Oh. That seems better. You probably shouldn't cut the top off as much as I did. Ooh, there we go. Boom, full. Okay, so there's a film over top. I don't think it actually filled. Oh no, it was full. No, it wasn't. It's just filling up with air. Okay, so I squirted it in. Like, I just shot it right in. It finally filled up. There's no bubbles in there. But if you're, like, doing this, it was a fucking pain in the ass, so, like, to fill it up. So be careful, because it wasn't full, like, the first, like, 3 times. Maybe I'll show you if I got it on video and I wasn't fucking around, I'll show you. It's ridiculous. Okay, so we're going to plop this. Now that we've got this filled up, we're going to plop this thing back in. And we're gonna do our best to get this thing in there. So far it's been kind of horrible. Like, look, push it literally all the way. Watch, I'll push it all the way down, it still won't go in. Oh, just pushes right back up. Stupid little cover. So you gotta kind of work it in there. Okay, so this little rubber grommet piece here, this thing is like incredibly hard to actually get in. Like, check it out. Like, I've really just been mashing this thing in a little bit. It didn't take that long, but like it is definitely a little frustrating. It doesn't go in nice and easy, but that's pretty much down there now. But just wanted to let you guys know that just, you know, it doesn't go in there nice and easy right away, so just keep on trucking away there. And it'll go down eventually in there. I think if you maybe had an Allen key, I didn't want to go grab one because it didn't take that long, but if you had an Allen key, it'd probably be and you might be able to shove it in there a little easier. I don't know if I'd be worried about it like ripping, but you know, it might be better like that. Anyway, okay, so the last thing here, before we close everything up, we're just going to go ahead and, before we close this thing up, we're going to keep it nice and loose. Very tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. Apparently we're supposed to give it a good 20 pumps. And this is supposed to apparently bleed the system. I'm not sure how that works, but that's what everyone said, so. That's probably about 20. I stopped counting, honestly. That's pretty good. And I'm going to tighten it back up. And, whoa. That's tight. Now we're going to see if it lifts, so that way I can lift up my, you know, level out my trailer on the side there and fix this car. Okay guys, I got lazy and I didn't want to do my trailer, so I'm just gonna do my van right here. Oh, let's see. There it goes. Oh, check it out. So far, so good. I mean, at least. Oh. Well, hey, I mean, it works really good for me. That's way better than before. And this is like one of those cheap jacks. I don't even think I'm supposed to be lifting any of the things I ever try to lift. Don't worry, I always use blocks of wood for axle stands. Alright, check it out. There it is, you guys. Right? You see that? Ooh. It's up. We did it. We fixed the cheap jack for another cheap price. Hell yeah. There it is, you guys. We fixed the jack for our, you know, $5 jack oil from Walmart. Gang.